118, so it's good. Power safe mode. So the force control is good. So tonight is very good quality. Okay, gentlemen. In the next video, in the future, we'll make some different parts. We'll make some video to show you how we make the transformer, high voltage, low voltage, from 24 volt AC to 110. And how many cycles, and how we check, how we measure, and how we know how much cycle we need to make it. So I will tell you how we can make the transformer. Okay. Then I will make some video to assemble the power MOS main board, to show you how we assemble it, how we test the power MOS board is good or bad. And I will try to make another video to show you how we make an original print become to the inverter version. So I will show you everything from the original materials become a whole inverter together. And after that, we'll find some camping video to really load the air conditioner and some refrigerator, everything, to testing how is good or not, and real life in the nature. We go to the real camping and find some project girl to show you how to use the inverter, how to check everything. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.